Hey guys, I'm back with another video. This is going to be a short one, just showing you how to wash and treat your wig. This is my 10-inch bob, and it's not really dirty, but I just wanted to get the got-to-be residue off the lace. So I usually use a Tresemme, but I decided to go for the Garnier this time. I thought, you know what, let's just go for this one. It is the Ultimate Blends shampoo and conditioner. It's written here the delicate soother, and it is very like soft and creamy. It's like, it smells so good. So yeah, I mean, during the lockdown I thought, actually it was before they announced the lockdown. I was meant to stock up on my shampoo and conditioner, and then like I didn't even have time to go do like my proper shopping that I usually do for like my hair and stuff. So this is all I could get my hands on. But yeah, it's actually not a bad substitute. This is actually, for two, it was 80 rand, and usually you'd get like a shampoo, you know, for 80 rand, just a shampoo with Tresemme. So anyway, you would wash that with the shampoo, like do like 2 runs if your hair is dirty. I just did 1 with mine. And then I also like brushing my hair through while it's wet, while I have the shampoo on, just to make sure that there's no knots in there. Then you get some conditioner, you add your conditioner, make sure you get every strand, put some on the lace as well, and then you can leave this on for like overnight or 2 to 4 hours, like depending on, you know, the look you're trying to go for. But for best results, I would say leave it on overnight, and then you're good to go. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like the video, comment, and subscribe to this channel.